In a recent leaked hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G ahead of its March 11 unveiling, numerous details have been unveiled, leaving little to the imagination prior to the official launch. Reddit user Zozo shared insights into some of the notable features of the Galaxy A55. The display boasts an impressive brightness of up to 1650 nits. Both the front and back panels are fortified with Gorilla Glass Victus, Plus for added durability. Constructed with an aluminum frame to enhance overall robustness, enhanced performance is ensured with the inclusion of the Eclipse 530 GPU. The phone features the largest vapor chamber ever seen in the series, ensuring effective cooling. With up to 12 gigs of RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, users can expect smooth operation. Dolby Atmos stereo speakers promise an immersive audio experience. The inclusion of Knox Vault enhances the security of user data. In less than a week, Samsung is poised to unveil its latest mid-range smartphones, the Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A55, targeting consumers on tighter budgets and those less concerned with flagship-level specifications. Samsung India recently teased the upcoming launch of the A35 and A55 on March 11, hinting at some of their appealing features without explicitly disclosing their names. Despite efforts to maintain secrecy, leaked real-life images and promotional materials of both phones have emerged, suggesting that leaks may persist until the official unveiling. Numerous images of official Galaxy A35 and A55 promotional material have surfaced on platforms like X, formerly Twitter, showcasing the handsets in various colors, highlighting some specifications, and revealing official cases available for purchase. However, the leaked images do not confirm whether Samsung will indeed release a Galaxy A55 variant with 12 gigs of RAM. Despite recent benchmarks suggesting such a configuration, surpassing even flagship models like the Galaxy S23 or Galaxy S24 in memory, there remains skepticism about the likelihood of Samsung offering this variant at launch. The availability date of the Galaxy A35 and A55 for purchase following their March 11 announcement remains undisclosed. Nonetheless, anticipation mounts for their arrival in stores before the month's end. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.